Hello friends, today's topic is about what is alkaline tide. Also we will look what is the correlation of diet and our urine pH. So normally urine pH that is ranging from 4.5 to 7.45. So it is generally acidic in nature. So urine pH generally acidic. But diet rich in vegetables, then in vegetables this organic acid is present like citrate and tartrate. And so due to presence of this organic acid they are converted into the bicarbonate, and so that urine become alkaline in nature. Further, in relation to the diet, you have to remember when diet rich in protein, then more of sulfuric and phosphoric acid will be generated, and due to that urine become acidic. But opposite to that, what high pH means towards the alkaline side, this pH of urine is observed when low protein diet is taken. So high protein diet, that urine become acidic, low protein diet urine become towards the alkaline side. But after meal, generally what is observed? After taking of meal, our stomach will secrete acid. That particular HCl, hydrochloric acid, is secreted, and during that time bicarbonate level will increase in the plasma, and due to bicarbonate level increase in the plasma, urine have the high pH, and this high pH in the urine after taking of meal, that is called alkaline tide. How exactly this alkaline tide is occurring, that we will look. So what happen after taking of meal? Parietal cell that will secrete this proton will be secreted against the concentration gradient in the lumen of the stomach. So these hydrogen ion are generated by ionization of carbonic acid, and for that again carbonic anhydrase enzyme is needed. So carbonic anhydrase from the carbonic acid generate H plus, and that will be secreted in the lumen of the stomach. When these H plus ions are secreted into the gastric lumen, simultaneously potassium will go inside the lumen. But again when this H plus is generated, simultaneously bicarbonate will also generated inside the cell, which is also generated from this carbonic acid. So carbonic acid from that H plus and HCO3 minus is generated. So bicarbonate, what happened to this bicarbonate? That will be reabsorbed into the blood, and in exchange of the chloride it will be reabsorbed. So when this chloride go into the parietal cell, that from this parietal cell again this chloride will be secreted into the lumen of the stomach. So when it is secreted, then what happen in the lumen of the stomach? This proton is already present, chloride will be secreted. So from proton and chloride, that HCl, hydrochloric acid, will be generated. So after taking of meal, following HCl secretion, plasma and urine both become alkaline in nature. So due to alkalization of this particular plasma and urine, it is called an alkaline tide. So simply it is asked in the viva, what happened, what is alkaline tide, or it is asked in the exam, what is alkaline tide. You have to simply say that after taking of diet, that HCl will be secreted from the parietal cell, and due to that whatever the bicarbonate level is increased in plasma, and that is reflected in the urine also. So first urine voided after the taking of meal, that is generally alkaline in nature, and that is called a simply alkaline tide. So that's all about the alkaline